Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Skype password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing I'd like you to know is that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's hop into today's task, which is how to change your Skype password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these features. So go ahead and click on your profile name in there. So mine is Amanda Mac. So here you have this options here. Head over to the manage window or the manage category rather. You have Skype profile, bookmarks, clip gallery, settings, sign in QR codes, what's new, and sign out. So go ahead and click on settings. Now it opens you up to this page. So enter to account and profile. Okay, and you have this profile picture, Skype name, Skype to phone, Skype number, your profile, your account. So I'd like you to select your account. So signing into your Skype account. So now head over to this left corner and you're going to find this options. Now this says bill information, edit profile, change password. So select change password. Now I have come to this window before. That's why it just took me right to this change your password window. But if you have not, then you have to go through some kind of verification processes. Cause you're gonna take you through some verification process where you're gonna send verification code to your phone number or an email, whichever one you choose. Just pass the verification process and it's gonna take you right into this change your password window. So a strong password helps prevent unauthorized access to your email account. So in this first box, enter your current password. It means you must remember your current password for you to get a new one. And if you've forgotten your password, Microsoft got you. So go ahead and click on forgot your password and get your current password. Then enter your new password. It has to be 8-character minimum and it says sensitive as well. Then re-enter your password. It means whatever you entered here in your password, go ahead and re-enter it here. Now once you do that, you can check this box, make me change my password every 72 days, or make me not to do that. If you don't want to leave the box empty, if you want to leave the box checked, then click on save. Now once you click on save, that's just going to be it. Your password will be changed. Now your Skype password will be changed. Now some of you might be asking, why am I changing my Microsoft account password instead of Skype password? Like you know that it's integrated. So Skype is a product of Microsoft. So whatever you do on Microsoft affects your Skype. I hope that worked for you. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.